Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to view the YouTube dislikes because YouTube deleted a few years ago. So actually this tutorial is very simple. The only thing you have to do is to go to dislike restorer, press the add, and you have to go to the first option. If you have Opera, you will have to open the Opera Store. Mozilla Firefox, the same thing in every browser. So you press add to Chrome, add extension, and wait a few seconds to the extension to install on your browser. And now you have to go to YouTube. So once you're here, you have to go to the video you want to watch. For example, this one from Skitter Shin. And as you can see, the dislike button is here. I can see, and this is real, this is not a made up number. You can check it out also in the last Mr. Beast video that was like controversial with the dislikes. So I'm going to do that. And as you can see, I have 2 million dislikes. So this is totally legit. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye!